Welcome all. Today we are talking about how to how to turn your boring desktop of macOS into this one. So basically, just I want to share some of the cool apps with you, which you can utilize to just give it a nice cleaner look, and all the information will be visible to you from your desktop screen. You don't have to go anywhere, just don't want to open any apps. All the things will be available on your desktop. Basically, what will be this apps like let me open my notes where I've kept all the information. So if you go into this one, basically there are one app which is for wallpapers, which is automatically changing as per the day and time, 24 hours. You can utilize this as a 24-hour wallpaper. It is available at the app store. Second one is a hologram desktop app. It is also available on the app store. So the difference between the two are, it is 24 hours wallpaper, as the name suggests, will change according to the 24-hour time of the day, basically. So I get this installed into my system. So if you can see, this is it. If I open this one, you can see the app changes my background basically for the so this is the free version basically I'm using. Now if I go into browse wallpaper, I can select any of the favorites wallpaper, or I can choose anyone which is available right here. So like here, if I can change this one to this, you can check this is changed into this one. So it is changing into the line one, and if you're able to see, it will change according to the day of the time. So right now, like in my location is 4:30. When it is night, it becomes night. It changes the wallpaper into night mode. Second one is a hologram desktop app. It's just basically an app which puts some kind of widget into your desktop screen with the corresponding wallpapers. So if I open this app from the launcher, this is the one, hologram desktop. So if I open this, you can see my app directly changes my desktop background. Also it puts some of the widgets here. But what happen if you don't like the widgets here, like this one? So if you open this and just go into the widgets and just make it like go into this one, hologram, or like here, if I showing me some of the widgets here, but change it, the wallpaper will be changing according to this. Like I will quite the this one, and I will put this wallpaper here, like this, or you can put your different wallpapers basically. And the second app which I'm talking about here from here are the widgets app. So widgets app, in the widgets there are widget wall. Widget wall is one of the most beautiful design app here. If I open this from here, you can see it opens up and it shows you all the things, like all the widgets available on the right side. You can put any widget on the right side, like this one. This is designed like this. Every widget is there. You can just drag and copy from here to there, and just I don't want to use it right now, but but for the sake of this uh, thing, like what I put here, I have designed it in a similar way. Like I have put some kind of wallpapers and widgets